Hey y'all, today on Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit, we're firing up the Weber Kettle and we're doing some barbecue chicken. Get those fires lit. We got some Royal Oak tumbleweeds and a basket full of the Royal Oak hickory briquettes. We're gonna be cooking indirect today on our Weber Kettle. Okay, we got our coals about where we want them. We're gonna go ahead and dump these. And again, I'm gonna set up two zones. So we're gonna have a hot side and a cool side so I can move this chicken over if it starts getting a little too hot for us. So we're just going to dump these off to the side. Like so. We'll set this guy out. And we're going to get our grate put on here. We should be all ready. Put the lid on this guy. Let's go in and prep some chicken. Okay, so we're going with some legs and thighs today. So these legs actually look pretty decent. We're not really going to have to do anything to them. These thighs, you can see all this extra skin. I don't want that on there. We're just going to come along here, trim that up. You can see all that. It's just going to burn up. So just want to kind of square them up a little bit. But everything's cooking uniform. If you don't mind having all that hanging off, by all means you can leave it on, but I want to try to get these removed and get them kind of squared up. So good sharp knife, you can clean them right up pretty quick. You can do legs, thighs. You can do the leg thigh quarters, or we really like using them sometimes too. Kind of get the best of both worlds with them. So any of that stuff that's hanging off, just clean up. There. I'm gonna flip these guys over, skin side down, like so. First thing, we're gonna hit them with some of that Killer Hogs AP. Then we're gonna come back across with just a little bit of this Killer Hogs Hot. Not real heavy, just gonna add a real nice color to it. Rub you want. If you just want to do salt and pepper on these, that's perfectly fine. We're going to use one of our comp sauce today, just a blend of Heath Rowell Sweet, Killer Hogs vinegar sauce. We're going to dip these guys in. It's a good combination. Some sugar in this rub, so I'm not going real heavy. I don't want it to burn up. So we're going to get these guys out on our Weber Kettle. Time to do a little turning and burning. Okay, we got our Weber Kettle here screaming hot. We're going to be doing a lot of flipping with these guys, rotating them around. Right at the end, we're going to glaze them. Let that sauce set up and we should be good to go. Probably going to take about 45 minutes or so. Leave these thighs off to the side, or these legs, excuse me, a little bit smaller. Not going to take as long to cook. She's pretty. You going? You can see our chicken is getting some gorgeous color to it. I'll move these smaller ones over on top of these coals. Let them start crisping up a little bit. Color on these guys are looking good. Give them another flip. We'll probably start probing these guys here probably in about 15-20 minutes, see where we're at on them. Last 10 minutes, we'll glaze them, put them back on. We're going to be eating some good barbecue chicken, y'all. Okay, we've been flipping these guys quite a bit. We're going to go ahead. We got some sauce here. It's just Killer Hogs, the barbecue sauce and their vinegar sauce we got mixed up. We're going to let it warm up a little bit here, and we will start basting our chicken with it here in a little bit. Just want to check these guys. They are getting close. So we're going to start basting these guys, and once this sauce warms up, we'll give it a couple more minutes, and we'll give them a good covering with that sauce and finish it off and give this chicken a try. Okay, we're going to try to do this the easy way. Give it a little dunk. A little dunk and glaze. A little turn in there. That is some pretty looking chicken right there. What do you think, Bill? Think you're going to be able to nail down one or two of them? So we probed these guys out. They have hit temperature, so we're just going to give them a quick dunk in this sauce. Before anybody asks, no, I'm not going to reuse this sauce. So some we had left in some bottles, we're just going to, what we don't use here, we will get rid of. So we're going to let these go after we give them all a good glazing for about another 10 minutes. Let this sauce get good and set. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pull our chicken off. The glaze has set to where we want it. Line these guys up here. That's some good looking chicken right there. I think one of those legs has my name written on it. We're going to take these inside, give them a minute to cool, give them a taste. Okay, so here's our chicken that we cooked today, barbecue chicken. Pretty simple, pretty plain. We cooked it on the Weber Kettle. We seasoned it up with some Killer Hogs Hot Barbecue and some of their AP, and then we glazed them with some of the barbecue sauce and just a touch of that vinegar sauce. They look beautiful. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to try this leg right here. It's been winking at me. It's still smoking hot, so. Tender, juicy. Skin's pretty crunchy. Got great flavor. That sauce, get a little punch from the hot, and then that sweet sauce just throws that chicken over the top. Give this recipe a try, and go out there and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Get you some.